Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare MongoDB Atlas in VS Code. We'll dive into understanding the core functionalities of MongoDB Atlas as a standalone service, and then explore its powerful integration capabilities directly within Visual Studio Code. Our goal is to help you weigh the benefits and drawbacks of each approach for your database management needs, ultimately guiding you to choose the best method for your specific development workflow. Let's get started and optimize your database interactions. MongoDB Atlas truly shines as a fully managed cloud database service, taking the heavy lifting out of database administration. It offers incredible features like automated backups, seamless scaling, and robust security measures, all without you needing to manage servers. Atlas supports all major cloud providers, including Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure, giving you flexibility. Plus, its comprehensive, web-based user interface makes database administration straightforward and intuitive for everyone. On the other hand, the MongoDB for VS Code extension brings your database right into your development environment. This powerful tool allows you to connect directly to your Atlas clusters, browse your data, and run queries without ever leaving your editor. It significantly streamlines your development workflow, keeping all your essential tools in one place. You can easily create, edit, and delete documents and collections, making daily data interactions incredibly efficient and integrated into your coding process. So, which is better? For comprehensive database management, especially in production environments, MongoDB Atlas offers robust features and peace of mind. However, for daily development tasks and quick data interactions, the VS Code extension is incredibly efficient, keeping you focused within your code. Many developers find the optimal solution is to use both, leveraging Atlas for its operational strengths and the VS Code extension for seamless coding. Consider your project's scale and team needs to make the best choice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.